Good morning. It is Monday, and today it's of course the beginning of the week. But today you might wonder, don't you have swimming class in the morning? And it is currently about 10. It's currently 11:43. And yes, I do. But I have the swimming class got cancelled because our swim coach, who is also the water polo coach, had to go play a game somewhere. So yeah, he had to go with the water polo team and go play a game. So yeah, we don't have class. So yeah, I took some extra sleep, which I needed. But yeah, now I'm gonna go just go hop in the shower and also hop in my auto clothes. Then I will see you before I leave. Hi, I'm back after class. I forgot to film before, but yeah. Now I need to go by student services actually quickly because yeah. So I'll see you soon. Back, and I'm now eating dinner, and I'm eating one of these noodle balls. Or ramen balls, because I feel lazy. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So hi, I'm back after finishing math. Now I'm just gonna go play video games for about an hour maybe, and then I'm gonna go do things. I'm gonna go pack my bag for tomorrow, and then I'll go to sleep. So I'll see you soon before I go to bed. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and today, well, I'm gonna go to my math class as always. And after that, I'm going to do some things, depending on if my class is cancelled or not, because my teacher is still sick. My auto teacher is still sick, but we'll see. I'm going to bring all my clothes anyway, just in case. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Back after class, and today it went well. We had some problems, but those are just problems with our stuff. We were using our tools. Some that but today, well, right now I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go pick up my car and go drive to a collision shop or a body shop. Try to get my damages fixed. I'm also gonna go buy a wetsuit, so I'll see you at home. Okay, let's go to the collision place first. Okay, so hi, I'm back, and never mind, they don't do estimates after 4:30, I think. So yeah, that could be good to know. So yeah, I need to go here either in the morning or in the afternoon. We'll see. I'm probably gonna go here in the morning on Friday after surfing, or yeah, probably on Friday. So yeah, I'll see you soon. New wetsuit acquired, and also slides, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I'll see you back in. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Today I do actually have swimming class, as far as I know. Might be going to nothing, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you after that. So, hi, back after swimming class, and today went well. It was tiresome, but it was fun. Let's play some water polo. But right now I'm just gonna go home, and I'll see you after the normal change and shower. I am now showered and I am now changed, so yeah, I'll see you back after class. I'm back after class, and today it went well. We did a bunch of electrical stuff, again, electrical circuitry. We also built some circuits. But right now I'm gonna go to Target to buy something for the Xbox. So yeah, I'll see you soon.
Use the elevator.
Well, the fire alarm's gone off again. Shut up. So yeah, I need to leave. No, obviously. And yeah, yeah, I'm eating this for dinner. I'm just eating rice, raw salmon, and avocado because it's healthy. So yeah, I'll see you. Hi, good morning. It is Friday. Or what? It's Thursday. Today, well, I'm going to my math class. I know I have a math test today. We're ready for it? No. How's it gonna go? Yeah, we'll see. I'll see you after class. I'm back after the test, and yes, I am tired if I look tired. But yeah, I got 76%, which is more than just over 3/4. Which is a lot better than I thought I would do, actually. So yeah, that's good. Now I'm gonna go and change for my auto class. So yeah, I'll see you after that. I'll see you after my auto class. So hi, it's after my auto class. It's a bit farther, longer than usual because I did some homework there, then and there, instead of taking it home and doing it home. Because reasons. I have a lot of other homework too, and I want to have a free, relatively free weekend. So yeah. Now I'm on my way home, so I will see you back at home for even more homework. So hi, I am obviously back home, and I took a small nap because reasons. But yeah, now I'm gonna eat dinner. I'm just gonna like yesterday. I'm just gonna eat salmon and rice, but without avocado this time. So yeah. I'll talk to you in a while. But yeah, now I have done some schoolwork and I've fixed some stuff, but everything's back, so I'll see you tomorrow. Watch it.
In the wrong spot.
We should wait.
We waited too long. We just need to wait.
Here comes two. Hang on. He's in about to finish. Now go. Okay, now go on. fell at least on the other.
God damn it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this up. I cursed another one. Oh crap, washed out. That's a good one, that's a really good one. No! God damn it! Ah! Me? That was a good turn, but I failed. Oh, that's really good. Hopefully. Right on top of it.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, no, God. God damn it. So hi, I'm back after, or morning. It is surf. It is Friday. Well, it might as well be surf because it's, of course, obviously after my surf session. So yeah, today went really well. There were a lot more waves and they were a lot better to catch and they were a lot easier to catch. So yeah, I caught a lot of them. I also borrowed one of the surfboard, or I borrowed one of the a guy's shortboard and I actually managed to catch a wave on that one, so that was fun. I did not stand up though, because it's very hard to stand up on a shortboard. But anyway, so yeah, right now I'm gonna go home and do the usual thing, shower and clean everything off. So I'll see you at home. Oh, and yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do today, so yeah, we'll see. But first, I'll see you back at home. I'm back after showering and changing. So now I'm actually gonna go to a school event, which is down by the beach. I think I said it is a bonfire, but it got cancelled because bad weather. Now it's actually happening, so yeah, I'll see you down on said beach. Morning is Saturday, and I forgot to film yesterday after I came home, but I died, so yeah, that was a little hard. But today I'm gonna go do some stuff. It's about 2 o'clock, by the way. I've just been home doing homework and not much of anything else. But right now I'm gonna go take a shower and take a shower and put on some actual clothes, and then drive my car to a collision shop and see if I can repair those damages in my car finally. Yeah, I will see you soon. Yeah, hi, I'm back and showered, so I'll see you over at the shop. Okay, so hi, I'm back after the shop, and they said they're here. They took a bunch of pictures, and I'm gonna get an estimate soon. Either if she can do it today, or if it's gonna get done tomorrow, we'll see. Or if it'll get done by the end of next week. But anyway, so yeah, now I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna cruise a little bit. I'm just gonna go drive down onto Main Street and then go back. So I'll see you back at home probably, because I won't film the way. I'm back, and I just ate dinner. Kind of. I haven't eaten it fully yet, but I ate just chicken, rice and some onion. But yeah, I forgot to film, but which I'm smart. But yeah, I'm almost done with my school stuff. I just need to do one more thing, and then I'm gonna do some other stuff. So. It is Sunday, and what is up on today's docket? Well, a lot of things. It's also kind of late in the evening because I slept late because it's a Sunday, but whatever. First on the docket is cleaning, because this place A is a mess, and B, I have a city, and also I need to do laundry. So I will begin doing one of those two things, probably laundry. So I'll see you soon. I need to go to the bathroom, but you didn't need to know that. So much laundry. Short interlude, and I'm making lunch, and for lunch I'm eating a cheese quesadilla because, well, reasons. Also, it's a Sunday, so I can eat whatever the hell I want. So yeah, I'll see you soon. And for dinner, I'm once again just eating some meatballs, sausage, and pasta because I'm a simpleton. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you later. Hi. Well, to summarize this weekend, remember when I said I was gonna upload these vlogs on Mondays regularly?
So that was a lie.
Yeah. So this week went kind of well. I finished all my math things for this exam period anyway. But yeah, I've stuck to it. I actually finished it, and I didn't quit, because don't be a quitter. Don't be a quitter. But anyway, so yeah, it's been fun. Otherwise, we began surfing. We had the bonfire yesterday, or on Friday. So yeah, it was fun. And the clubs are going to begin soon, which I am, if you can remember, I'm vice president of 2, which I will talk about when that actually begins. But anyhow, So if you want to follow these vlogs, these will now be uploaded regularly on Mondays, whereas would. But yeah, hopefully they will. We'll see how much crazy these weeks become. But hopefully they will. So if you want to follow them, click the subscribe and also ring the bell so you get notifications when I actually upload these things, whenever that is. Follow, leave a comment and leave a like so that YouTube knows to have fun with the algorithm. And also a message, and also follow my Instagram for linked in the description for any other shenanigans that I might do that I might not get on camera. There hasn't been much traffic on there as a reason, but I'm about to change that. But anyway, so yeah, I will see you next week then.